for tuning in. My name is Ashanae Shabri. Today I will be showing you how I made, let me shake this up, how I made these two juices. I do post a lot of videos to do with health, fitness, lifestyle. So if you do like those type of videos, please be sure to check them out. Follow, like, subscribe. Go ahead and get to it. Dang, that's good. Okay, so whenever I am starting off, I like to go ahead and chop everything up just so when I do get ready to start putting everything in the juicer, I can just start doing it like really fast. You can cut these a lot bigger if you like to. This is just my preference, honestly. These are just some cucumbers. So we're starting off with 3 cucumbers. All right, we have 2 limes. So these I'm just gonna cut in half because I squeeze these in. Now I have tried putting a whole lime in there before, and you do not want to do that unless you want your drink to literally taste like nothing but the skin of the lime, because that's exactly what it'll taste like. My apples, I just cut these into like 4s. And yeah, as you can see, I really need to like hurry up and make these juices before my fruit starts to go bad. That's the one thing about fruit. It's like you definitely have to go ahead and try to hurry up and use them before they start to go bad. So now we got the chopping out of the way. I'm gonna move this stuff to the side. All right, we have the Nama juicer too, the Nama J2. We're gonna start off with kale. So working with the juicer, we like to put all of the soft ingredients in first. So I'm gonna start with our kale. Easier if you break this stuff a tad bit because the spines of them do get stuck sometimes in these juicers. I'm gonna put some lime in there. And the limes I just break off. And we only want just like a handful of mint, or the mint, my bad. Cucumbers in there. Wash it down a little bit. Package the rest of the kale up. Okay, so I normally take this foam and just kind of like dump it out. Let a little bit out at a time. Okay. So you see, that was literally just enough to fill this whole container, which I love when that happens because all the ingredients are in there. So now all I have to do is I'll just take that spoon and just mix it around just a little bit. Because remember, we did start off with the kale. And this is our first drink. Okay, I like to use my funnel because it's just less messy. And then now I'm just going to pour this in there. Ooh, y'all, I'm still making a mess. Okay, so that's 1, 2. So it's enough for pretty much kind of like 2.5. I'm gonna pour a little bit more of this in there. There you go. So 2.5 cups. Okay, so for my next one, we have half of this honeydew melon. We have 2 green apples. We have mint leaves, a lime, tar leaves, and I usually use basil, but I could not find any fresh basil, so I'm gonna have to use the basil that's the seasoning, so we'll see. Hopefully it don't taste too different. But if you do have fresh basil, I advise getting fresh basil because I love the taste of basil in this drink. It tastes really, really good. Oh, I was like, what the heck is that? I got a whole spoon under here, y'all. I was like, why is this not there? It's really, really easy to scoop, if y'all can see. Just carving it out. Okay. Cutting it in half, sticking it in there. And I gotta hurry up and use these, y'all, because these are starting to go bad. We're just doing a handful of mint. Also gonna put in some basil. I'm gonna put like 2 tablespoons in there. Or maybe like 1.5. I would say 1.5 to 2 tablespoons. Okay, now we're about to add in the apples. All right, this is what it looks like. It's a lot lighter than the other juice. That kale really does make it a lot darker. I would also suggest with the kale to probably do like maybe a handful of kale. Because if not, I did taste it. It is kind of strong with the kale. So if you don't want it too strong, if you're just starting out, probably do like a handful of kale your first time and then see how you like it. Okay, so this is everything I have left. And this was from both of the juices that I made. All right, so everything I'm using is in the description down below. Please give a thumbs up or a like if you really like this video. Be sure to watch my other videos. I'm going on a whole fitness journey. So I do include a lot of these juices that I make, things I eat on a daily basis, some recipes, and then just things I'm doing to lose weight.